gonna add the last group in. Turn the gas off. Because if you cook the prawn too long, the prawn won't be juicy and sweet. It's gonna be rubbery and chewy. Put it in, and then you squeeze them out, and you can stir them because you have basil and the prawn still is done. Okay, you guys, let me see. Tomato in, you three. Yeah, cooked tomato. Yeah. About a minute, and then we're gonna turn the gas off. So now what you have is called noodle soup with chicken. ก๋วยเตี๋ยวน้ำใส right? ก๋วยเตี๋ยวไก่น้ำใส is a light crab soup. Now we're gonna change to ก๋วยเตี๋ยวต้มยำ
Oh.
Okay, this I make my own roasted peanut. Smell it? You just
yeah.
Roasted peanuts.
Roasted peanut, and we crush them. Smell. You see it? Smell.
I smell it from here too.
If you make your own, the best. I make it my own. You know, yesterday. Yeah. You see this? You have to make your own. I will teach you later how.
Does it
So
smell
this
like
trick.
peanuts?
Yes.
You trusted me?
Completely, yeah.
Okay. You can eat a bit spicy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're not gonna make it super hot. This is chili flake. It's spicy, right? And then peanuts, right? And peanut. This recipe should be a lot of peanuts and sugar.
Okay.
A little bit sugar, right? And this is the key. This is to make it tom yum. You may have to have chopstick to swing them to dissolve. Can you dissolve the paste and mix them? And then squeeze the lime. Yeah, and then you mix everything together because I want you to taste, and then we adjust. When you learn the base, you can go on, you know, go on, and then fish sauce a little bit, right? And mix it. And now what we're gonna do, so we're gonna use this. We haven't put in the mouth, so we're gonna use as a serving spoon. Because myself, I will add a lot more, but I'm not there to put a lot for you first. You have to taste with me.
You can, if you want to, you can taste it too.
But we're gonna use serving spoon. Huh? First, I'm gonna ask you first. If it's spicy for you,
Spice is okay.
it could be more.
It could be way spicy.
It's a little bit more. We're not gonna be crazy, but it has to be richer. Okay, we do
And
more
it
of that,
tastes so good.
and then like, do more of that. More lime. Ah. And then a little bit more peanut. I like a lot of peanut. And you mix it again. And then I'm gonna add. I like a lot of this one. You add a bit more of this.
Double up on everything.
Because I want you to learn how to adjust. You see?
Yeah.
And also many restaurants you do like depend who make, which chef, and then how stingy are you when you make. You want to make a rich, flavorful food. You shouldn't be very stingy, you know, about the ingredient. You see the color?
Yeah, it's getting more intense.
It's more intense. You need the colors and intent.
Hey.
Yeah, and you see that? And now, right? And now we're gonna taste this again.
I'm sorry.
Taste it, taste it.
You can try it too if you want to. If you want to adjust yours.
Now it's richer, nicer, much.
It tastes so good. It tastes very, very good. Very good.
You wanna make sure, or you wanna happy with that? You wanna taste?
try this.
Use this if
You
you
can
want.
use different spoon. That's chili paste spoon here, serving spoon. You can add more fish sauce and everything. You like, you go inhale.
Yeah.
When you eat Thai soup, you don't do
Yeah.
like a Western. Go.
Yeah.
You sip slowly,
But it's nice, yeah.
but you see the difference. You
Yeah.
can eat it light like that, and you make it like this. For me, I will add even raw minced flour there extra. You can do with minced pork chicken if you like. You like it to change? You happy with the change?
It's very, very great. No, because we had chicken soup the last days, and this, like, we always see these things laying around the table, and we never touch them, and now we can use them when we're sitting
Now
down.
you know. Yeah.
Thank you
Because
so
you can
much.
add more for flavor. Because sometimes people don't know, just eat it light like that. Okay, happy? Shall we eat?
Yes.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you so much.
ค่ะ and then we
It's very
eat.
appreciated.
ค่ะ